flying. Blue Scout is still grounded.
Thanks, you Scout.
Okay, class. This time, today, we'll be taking a social studies test.
Excuse me, Mr. Dallas. I can use the restroom.
Yes, but please be back in no more 10 minutes. I got a class to teach.
I'm going to knock the vending machines down. Ha 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 ha. Yes. I knocked down those vending machines. Yes. I knocked down those vending machines. Yes. I knocked down those vending machines.
Hey, what the hell did you just do?
Oh crap.
Did you knock down those vending machines?
Yes, I knocked down those vending machines.
That's it. I'm going to tell the principal about what you just did.
No.
Oh my God, Dark Advocate, how dare you knock down those vending machines? Now we'll have to put them back where they belong, and plus knocking vending machines cause damage. That's it. You are suspended for 13 weeks. Go to corporate class law but HQ now.